What's up YouTube? I'm Big Man Spud. Welcome to the channel. North American SongBirds. Like to see my favorite? Give me one hot second. Here it is, my favorite songboard of Mimi. Northern Cardinal. And the sound of the Northern Cardinal is this right here. And that's the sound of the Northern Cardinal. And tell you the truth, the Northern Cardinal sounds beautiful to my ears. Every time I hear one in my backyard, every time I see one in my backyard, and when I hear them, I can't stop listening. And that's the truth. And also, this book has many birds in it. I'm not going to play every single one of them, but I will play another one for y'all. And my second favorite songboard is the Brown Thistle. And the sound of that sounds like this. And that's what it sounds like. This book tells you a lot of things about each bird. Like, where are they at? Like right in here. The green, dark green shows you where they go, basically. It tells you the note sequence. It shows the song. It could be like he, or something like that. But really, you don't really hear them saying he. I'm just telling you an example there. It tells you time of day, like the brown thistle comes out morning and evening. It tells you the behavior, the ID, habitat, nest, and food. Just like I say, I love this book. And now I'm going to show you the CD. And here's the CD. Just to remind you, this book has about 100 songboards in this book. And here's where you put the CD at. Just to let y'all see that. You know what I think about this book? I only got one word for this book. It's love. And I got another word for it. Love this book. Until next time, I'm Big Man Spud.